Atma Namaste. Let us start. We humbly invoke for the blessings of the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, our special teacher and all special teachers, all the great ones, all the great Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Paramatmas, Tirthankaras, prophets, archangels, holy angels and special helpers, and with the help and the blessings of our higher souls and divine self, we thank you for the purification, strengthening, empowerment, upgradation and alignment to be able to fulfill our part in the manifestation and the great vision, the accomplishment of the divine plan on this Mother Earth. We thank you for your priceless, constant downpour of blessings. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. हम सब ईश्वर के संतान हैं और हम सब से गलतियां होती है। सब विकास के मार्ग में सीखते जा रहे हैं, समझते जा रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। We are all learning, testing, getting into trials, making mistakes, making amends, understanding and moving forward. Progress is definite. For everyone, progress is definite. Only if we can understand that through all our trials and tests in the forms of sadness and depression, we are learning greater love and kindness and compassion. We are inculcating greater love and kindness and compassion. If we could just understand this simple truth, life would become easier. Life would become faster. Whatever happens to us, there is a reason. And in the land of God, the reason is only progress. I need to understand the simple truth that whatever happens to us, the reason is that I need to learn some lessons and I need to learn them fast. For example, a person who holds on to grudges with lot of suppression and suppression and suppression, burning inside like fire with the anger and hatred that the person has amassed. That fire tends to create ulcers, gastric issues, intestinal issues. And when there is pain caused due to hatred, pain caused due to a constantly repetitive stressful situation which is creating impatience, that pain which is rotting and rotting and rotting creates problems again, maybe in my pancreas or in the liver. The extreme accumulation of such hatred and anxiety for many decades and years may be the reason of extreme back pains, pancreatic issues, arthritic issues. And when people think that they are the ones who are responsible for running this world, when they think that they have to carry the burden of their family and the world on their shoulders, it may emerge as frozen shoulders. So, what is that you are carrying with you? What is the past which is rotting, which is stinking, but still you wish to carry it along with you? And the stink and rot spreading into every particle creates disease, attracts wrong events, situations. So let me take a decision today and now. Let me decide to take the fragrance of God back into my life. May I be fragrant with the love of God. And for that, I need to throw out the hatred and the anger and the pain that I have so fondly accumulated, so that I can be fragrant again with the love of God. I need to throw out all that hatred and anger and pain and insecurity and misery, the flashbacks of miserable moments that I seem to live in. I need to throw them out. I need them out of my system. I need them out of my life. I need them out. Om Shanti 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 Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. May all of us be blessed with this power to take back the freedom and the happiness which is rightfully ours. May we be blessed with the power to take back the fragrance of God which is rightfully ours. Let our life bloom in the fragrance of God's love. Let us learn to forgive unconditionally. In all situations, internal forgiveness, and where it requires right action at the external level. That simply means if a person has done a heinous crime, I need to put the person behind bars so that he would learn to repent, understand the mistake that he has done, and not do it again. The jails are basically reforming houses. And what do I have to do? I cannot hold on to the grudge or the hatred. I need to just let go. I need to let go of any grudge or hatred within me. I need to simply understand that within me, I need to love every person. I need to understand that we need to hate the sin, not the sinner. Forgiveness unconditionally, internally, for everyone in all situations. Externally, right action at the right time. Delayed justice is injury. Delayed justice is injury. Inaction is injury. We need to understand this clearly. Action on the external level and forgiveness internally. People have to really understand what this means. This means that I need to take a stern action, as I would do to my child whom I love more than myself, for the betterment of the child. But inside, I melt with love for my child. The same way, I need to be melting with love for humanity, for all the follies that have been performed, but be strict and stern on the outside to do what is required. I need to practice unconditional forgiveness internally in all situations. Om Shanti 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 Om. 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 May each one of you be touched by the unshakable peace and love of my beloved spiritual teacher and the Paramatma. So be it. Let us practice the forgiveness together.
இல்ல